Hey there, lovely viewers. Welcome back to the For Real channel. I'm Anna, and today we've got something super handy to chat about. You know, we all love staying connected with friends and family, but there are times when we just need a breather, right? So in today's video, we'll explore how to silence those pesky text notifications on your iPhone. It's all about finding your peace without missing out on important stuff. All right, let's get started. Now, the first method is super simple. Just grab your iPhone and look for the switch on the side. Give it a quick flick and voila! Your phone is in vibrate mode. Easy, right? If you want to take it a step further, let's talk about Do Not Disturb. This is a feature that has been around forever on our smartphones, as you'll be able to stop your phone from buzzing, beeping, or doing anything to distract you when Do Not Disturb is activated. 1. Swipe down from the top right corner of your iPhone to reveal Control Center. 2. Tap the focus button. 3. Select Do Not Disturb from the list of options. 4. Swipe up from the bottom to exit focus mode selection and close Control Center. With this, your iPhone will stay mum while you work or chill. Now, what if you only want to silence text notifications, but want to keep notifications enabled for all of your other apps and services? Head over to the Settings app, scroll down, tap on Messages, then under the top section, tap on Notifications, and toggle Allow Notifications off. Don't forget to set a reminder to turn it back on later if necessary. That way, you won't miss any crucial text notifications in the future. Of course, you can also leave them off for as long as you like. Hi there. Before we continue, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe to our channel, and ring that notification bell so you won't miss any of our tutorials. All right, let's go to the next part. Focus modes introduced in iOS 14 are pretty slick. They let you customize your notifications based on what you're up to. Here are the steps. 1. Open your iPhone Settings app. 2. Scroll down and tap on Focus. 3. Tap the plus button in the top right corner. 4. Choose one of the options: Custom, Driving, Fitness, Gaming, Personal, Reading, and Work. 5. Tap Customize Focus on the next screen. 6. Under Allow Notifications, tap People. 7. Add contacts by tapping Add People. 8. Select the contacts you want notifications from. 9. Tap Done in the top right corner. 10. Customize your focus mode based on your preferences. Whether you pick a pre-made focus mode or create your own, Apple lets you easily tweak and fine-tune it. You can customize which text notifications you want to receive from specific contacts, or turn them off completely. Ever been stuck in a never-ending group chat filled with nonsense that never seems to stop? It can drive you crazy, right? Luckily, with the Messages app, you can mute those conversations. 1. Open Messages on your iPhone or iPad. 2. Find the chat you want to silence. 3. Press and hold the chat. 4. Tap Hide Alerts in the menu that pops up. And there you have it, folks. 5 fantastic ways to silence text notifications on your iPhone. Remember to hit that like button if this video helped you out. Subscribe for more awesome tips, and drop a comment if you have any questions or suggestions for future tutorials. Thanks for tuning in, and until next time, stay connected, but don't forget to take that much needed break when you need it. Catch you later, tech-savvy pals.